Itzy, it hurts, touch.
What's the fun? Do you know what I mean with this?
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Bansi and here is my another review video. It is with a Noogle non-UV gel. They give me 6 different amazing sets. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, link in description box. So let's start with the purple series. First one is pure purple, set number 24. It looks so gorgeous. Second one is baby blue eyes, set number 27. It is very beautiful pastel color. Must try this. Third one is grape purple, set number 26. I love this very much. I made this design with using these 3 colors. Stay tuned for this tutorial. Next one is green series. In the first, jungle green, set number 39. Look at this, it's so beautiful. Another one is Fern green 47. Very green vibes in this side. Last one is Basil green, set number 80. Its vibes as henna. And I made this design also. Stay tuned for this tutorial. You all can try these sets from Noogle non-UV gel. They have very amazing sets and without any top base coats. It's very pocket friendly price, so don't forget to try them all. Thank you so much for watching, and also thank you so much Noogle for sending me these amazing sets. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new updates. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, link in description box. Bye bye.